Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and while flowers are a timeless gesture of love and affection, they can also come with a hefty price tag. But fear not. In this ultimate guide, we'll explore savvy strategies to save money on flowers without sacrificing quality or sentiment. From insider tips to creative alternatives, you'll discover how to make this Valentine's Day both memorable and budget-friendly. Number 1. Plan ahead and pre-order. Planning ahead for Valentine's Day allows you to avoid the last-minute rush and secure better deals on flowers. Florists often offer early bird specials and discounts for customers who pre-order their Valentine's Day flowers, incentivizing you to plan ahead. By researching floral auctions and placing your orders in advance, you can take advantage of these promotions and ensure that you get the best prices on your floral arrangements. Additionally, pre-ordering allows you to customize your bouquet and choose specific flowers or colors according to your preferences, ensuring that your Valentine's Day surprise is exactly what you envisioned. Number 2. Consider non-traditional bouquets. While roses are a classic choice for Valentine's Day, considering non-traditional bouquet options can offer both uniqueness and affordability. Opting for mixed flower arrangements or single-stem bouquets, featuring less expensive blooms like carnations, daisies, or alstroemeria, can be equally beautiful and cost-effective. These alternative flower options often come in vibrant colors and unique shapes, adding an element of surprise and creativity to your Valentine's Day gift. Additionally, embracing unconventional bouquet designs such as wildflower arrangements or minimalist displays can make a bold statement while staying within your budget. Number 3. Do-it-yourself floral arrangements. Creating your own floral arrangements not only allows you to save money, but also gives you the opportunity to showcase your creativity and personal style. Purchasing fresh flowers in bulk from wholesale markets or online vendors is a cost-effective way to acquire a variety of blooms at lower prices per stem. Investing in basic floral arranging tools such as floral foam, floral tape, and wire cutters enables you to craft professional-looking bouquets and centerpieces from the comfort of your home. Experimenting with different flower combinations, colors, and textures allows you to design unique and personalized arrangements tailored to your loved one's taste. Number 4. Opt for in-season flowers. Choosing flowers that are in season during the month of February can significantly reduce the cost of your floral arrangements. In-season flowers are more abundant and readily available, making them less expensive than out-of-season varieties. Researching which flowers are in season in your region allows you to select blooms that are not only affordable, but also fresher and more vibrant. By opting for in-season flowers, you can stretch your budget further and create beautiful bouquets that reflect the natural beauty of the season. Additionally, in-season flowers are less likely to require expensive imports or special shipping arrangements, further contributing to cost savings. Number 5. Comparison shop and look for deals. Taking the time to compare prices and look for deals from various florists and online retailers can help you find the best value for your money. Many florists offer special promotions and discounts leading up to Valentine's Day to attract customers, so it's worth exploring different options to find the most competitive prices. Keep an eye out for early bird specials, coupon codes, and flash sales that can provide significant savings on your flower purchase. Additionally, consider purchasing flowers from local farmers markets or grocery stores, which often offer competitive prices and high-quality blooms. By comparison shopping and hunting for deals, you can maximize your budget and get more bang for your buck when buying Valentine's Day flowers. Number 6. Opt for potted plants. Choosing potted plants as an alternative to cut flowers can be a sustainable and budget-friendly option for Valentine's Day. Potted plants such as orchids, succulents, or flowering bulbs offer long-lasting beauty and can be enjoyed well beyond the holiday. Unlike cut flowers, which wilt and eventually need to be discarded, potted plants can thrive with proper care and attention, serving as a lasting reminder of your love and thoughtfulness. Additionally, potted plants often require less maintenance than traditional flower arrangements, making them an ideal gift for those with busy lifestyles or limited gardening experience. Number 7. Shop local and support small businesses. Supporting local florists and small businesses is not only a great way to contribute to your community, but also a means of finding unique and high-quality floral options. Local florists often source their flowers from nearby growers, ensuring freshness and supporting local economies. By choosing to purchase from local businesses, you can avoid inflated prices associated with national flower chains and online retailers. Additionally, local florists may offer personalized service, expert advice, and custom floral designs tailored to your preferences, adding an extra layer of care and attention to your Valentine's Day gift. Number 8. Repurpose and recycle flowers. After Valentine's Day, consider repurposing and recycling flowers to extend their lifespan and minimize waste. Rather than throwing away wilted blooms, you can use them to create potpourri, floral sachets, or homemade bath products. Drying flowers allows you to preserve their beauty and use them in crafts, home decor, or botanical art projects. Alternatively, composting flower waste is an eco-friendly way to return nutrients to the soil and reduce your environmental footprint. By repurposing and recycling flowers, you can maximize their value and minimize their impact on the environment, making your Valentine's Day celebration both meaningful and sustainable. Number 9. Choose simple packaging and presentation. When purchasing Valentine's Day flowers, opt for simple packaging and presentation to minimize costs and environmental impact. Avoiding elaborate gift wrapping, excessive plastic packaging, or unnecessary embellishments can reduce the overall cost of your floral purchase and decrease waste. Instead, choose eco-friendly packaging options such as recycled paper or biodegradable materials. Simple and elegant presentation allows the beauty of the flowers to shine through without overshadowing their natural charm. Consider forgoing traditional vases in favor of reusable containers or vessels that can be repurposed for future use, adding value and versatility to your gift. Number 10. DIY delivery and personal touches. Adding personal touches to your Valentine's Day flower delivery can enhance the sentiment and make the experience more meaningful for your recipient. Consider hand-delivering the flowers yourself for an extra element of surprise and intimacy. Include a handwritten note or heartfelt message expressing your love and appreciation. Additionally, consider adding small tokens or gifts that complement the flowers, such as chocolates, candles, or handwritten poems. By taking the time to personalize the delivery and add thoughtful touches, you can create a memorable and heartfelt Valentine's Day experience for your loved one. Number 11. Go for floral arrangements. For those with a creative flair, DIY floral arrangements offer a cost-effective and personalized alternative to store-bought bouquets. Purchase loose stems or bulk flowers from local markets or flower wholesalers and arrange them into custom creations tailored to your preferences. Experiment with different flower varieties, colors, and textures to create unique and eye-catching arrangements. Incorporate elements such as greenery, filler flowers, and decorative accents to add depth and visual interest. With a bit of practice and creativity, you can craft stunning floral displays that rival those of professional florists, making your Valentine's Day gift truly one of a kind. Number 12. Consider seasonal and indigenous flowers. Choosing seasonal and indigenous flowers for your Valentine's Day bouquet not only celebrates nature's bounty, but also reduces the environmental impact of flower cultivation and transportation. Seasonal blooms are readily available and often less expensive than out-of-season varieties, allowing you to stretch your floral budget further. Additionally, indigenous flowers are well adapted to local climates and require fewer resources to grow, making them a more sustainable choice. Embrace the beauty of seasonal and indigenous flowers, such as tulips, daffodils, or native wildflowers, to create a meaningful and eco-friendly Valentine's Day bouquet that reflects the natural rhythms of the season. With these savvy tips and tricks, you can enjoy the beauty of Valentine's Day flowers without breaking the bank. Whether you opt for DIY arrangements, seek out seasonal blooms, or explore alternative flower sources, there are plenty of ways to save money while still delighting your loved ones. Remember, it's the thought and effort behind the gesture that truly matter, so get creative and show your appreciation in a budget-friendly way. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving strategies and holiday hacks. Stay tuned for upcoming videos filled with valuable insights to help you make the most of every occasion. Hit that subscribe button now and join our community of savvy savers. Until next time, happy saving.